Hello and welcome to a new episode of Product Basics. Today I will tell you about one of our newest processes in our factory, the rod bending robot cell, where we're at now, and why you can benefit from this process. This time it's all about latching rods. These are used in larger enclosures, often in industries like power generation and distribution, as well as in IT and telecom. These rods are used by customers like yourself to connect the swing handle to latch points at the top and bottom of the door. Depending on the customer's application, especially bent latching rods must be made. And there is usually a fair amount of bending in both X, Y, and Z dimension. Every production step previously had to be done in a separate press. It used to be pretty time-consuming to make a smaller batch of custom-made latching rods like these. First making one operation 500 times, then moving all the rods over to a new machine and making the next operation 500 times, and so on. It could literally take hours or even days to make a small number of latching rods, using 5 to 15 steps of cutting, punching, and shaping tools. This made it impossible to make smaller batches, as setting up a bunch of tools was very time-consuming and needed much precision. The modern way we do this nowadays is that we have 6 tools gathered in a robot cell like this. First off, the raw material, 6, 8 or 10 millimeter rods, is delivered to our factory in big spools. The wire is fed into a CNC controlled bending machine. This machine performs a series of bending operations and cuts the rod to the correct length. In the center of the robot cell, we have a robot arm handling one rod at a time, now already bent. This means that all final production steps to the rod are now done in rapid succession, one after the other. The rod then is flattened under high pressure in the press. The hole is punched and finally the edge is cut into a rounded shape. This is the finished rod ready for delivery to the customer. We have built this robot cell ourselves, and it's a serious investment for us that does not automatically make life less costly. What it does do is that it brings several advantages, like ease of use, and for programming it utilizes visual programming and is equipped with constant visual monitoring with cameras. For quality control, it has laser measuring sensors for checking that the finished product looks just like the drawing says it should. Moreover, the robot cell can create very complex latching rod shapes, can create parts where quick development is needed, and creating parts using different bending technologies. I'd say that the biggest advantage is that once your latching rod is converted to a program, it's an easy matter for you to order 3, 14, 227 or 11,200 rods, as there is no waiting time to find, set up and adjust the right tools, and repeatability is another major advantage. At the very last stage, a human takes over and adds the rollers to the end. An operator rivets the rollers in position and makes the final quality control. So, to sum up, we are proud that we offer a high-tech manufacturing process even on a pretty simple latching rod. And we're not just making it high-tech just because. Instead, we felt the rods need the respect they deserve in this humble but important job they perform during a lifetime. The advantage for you is that this manufacturing process improves quality, you can order smaller quantities, and in many cases you can get your order faster than ever before. And if you need help or assistance with latching rods, latching hardware, need samples, drawings, or product information, get in contact with us or check out our website, Industrilas.com. We have been supporting companies like yours with latching hardware since 1981, and we can help you too. Our business development managers or customer service representatives will be happy to help you out. See you next time.